5-minute daily speaking routine. If you only practice 5 minutes per day, this routine can change your English confidence. The brain loves repetition. Small daily practice builds safety. Let's practice together for 1 minute. Take a deep breath. Say slowly. Today, I will practice learning English. Say it again. Now, let's practice the 2 and 3 minutes. Look around your room. Say what you see. Example: this is my desk. This is my phone. I have a cat in the room. And I am going to prepare for food. Now, the 4 to 5 minute free speaking. Now speak freely. Anything about your day. I will stay silent. Excellent. This exact routine is what I use with students to build daily confidence. My psychology workbook helps you keep this routine consistent. You just completed volume number 1, Speak Without Fear. In volume number 2, we'll start thinking in English naturally.